Look, you probably spent hours scrolling through endless specs, battling confusing range claims, and worrying about pricey maintenance. Sound familiar? The truth is, finding a commuter e-bike that actually fits your ride, budget, and city streets feels impossible. This video cuts the noise, gives you the top picks, and helps you decide right now. Product number 1. Jasion EB5 electric bike for adults 26-inch. Wow, imagine cruising down the highway with a bike that feels like a car, but lighter, greener, and with that electric buzz that makes every hill feel like a breeze. Trust me, the Jasion EB5 is the kind of 26-inch mountain bike that turns heads while you commute, and it's packed with power. A 1000W peak motor that gives you instant torque, a removable battery that lets you swap it on the go, and a 7-speed Shimano drivetrain so you can tackle any terrain. The front fork suspension absorbs those rough patches, keeping your ride smooth, and the 26-inch tire grips the road like a champ, whether you're zipping through city streets or shredding a trail. With up to 40 miles on a single charge, this bike is perfect for the daily grind, weekend adventures, or a quick escape from the office. Honestly, the build quality feels solid, the weight distribution is spot on, and the electric assist feels natural, not forced. Look, if you're ready to upgrade your commute, hit the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 2. Heybike Cityscape 2.0 electric bike for adults. So, if you recently checked out my review on the Jasion EB5 Commuter and thought, wow, I really want something with a bit more punch for my daily grind, well, you are going to love what I have here today. Honestly, let me introduce you to the brand new Heybike Cityscape 2.0 electric bike for adults, and trust me, this thing is an absolute game changer. Look, the biggest upgrade right off the bat is that massive peak 1200-watt motor hidden inside, meaning hills are basically non-existent now. Plus, you get a reliable 468 watt-hour removable battery that pushes you up to an impressive 50 miles of range on a single charge. It rolls on smooth 26-inch wheels, features a reliable 7-speed gear system, and yes, it is fully UL certified for peace of mind. Whether you are cruising to work or just exploring on the weekend, it just feels fantastic to ride. Do yourself a favor and check the link in the description below to find the best active discounts available today. Product number 3. TST GRP LLC TST electric bike for adults. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you love the smooth ride of the Heybike Cityscape 2.0, you're going to be thrilled with what I've got next, the TST GRP LLC TST electric bike for adults. Honestly, this bike feels like a game changer. It packs a 48-volt 15-amp-hour battery that gives you serious range, and a 1500-watt peak motor that launches you forward with effortless power, perfect for city commutes or weekend trail adventures. The fat tires and dual suspension soak up bumps like a dream, while the 7-speed gearing lets you fine-tune every climb. You've also got 3 working modes, so you can cruise, pedal assist, or go full throttle, all displayed on a clear LCD screen that keeps you in control. Trust me, beginners will feel confident thanks to the smooth assist, and commuters will love the reliable, powerful performance. Look, the combination of rugged tires, strong motor, and comfortable suspension makes this bike feel both sturdy and agile. So if you're ready to upgrade your ride, check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 4. Gotrax Dolphin 26-inch step-through electric bike. Hey everyone, if you just finished checking out the TST GRP LLC TST electric bike for adults, you're going to love what's next. Trust me, the Gotrax Dolphin 26-inch step-through is a game changer, especially for adults who want that effortless glide. Honestly, the 500-watt peak motor gives you a solid 20 mph top speed, but what really makes it pop is the 30-mile range in pedal assist mode, so you can ride all day without hunting for a charger. Look, the bike comes with a 7-speed drivetrain and 5 assist levels, plus a handy boost mode that kicks in when you need a burst of power uphill or a quick sprint. Front suspension keeps the ride smooth over potholes, and dual disc brakes mean you can stop confidently in any weather. And because it's a step-through frame, getting on and off is a breeze, even if you're carrying groceries or a stroller. Wow, the combination of performance, comfort, and style is hard to beat. So if you're ready to upgrade your commute or weekend rides, check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 5. Funhang electric bike for adults. Now, if you recently checked out our review on the Gotrax Dolphin step-through e-bike, and you thought to yourself, I need something with a little more muscle for my daily commute. Wow, do I have the ultimate upgrade for you today? Honestly, you need to see the Funhang electric bike for adults. Trust me, this thing is an absolute powerhouse. It packs a massive 1000-watt peak motor that makes climbing steep hills feel like absolute breeze. Look, nobody wants range anxiety, right? Well, with its robust 48-volt built-in removable battery, you are looking at up to 50 miles of pure riding freedom on a single charge. It rolls smoothly on 26-inch tires, features a super convenient step-through frame, and comes with a fully adjustable stem plus a reliable 7-speed gear system to dial in your exact comfort. Plus, you can ride with total peace of mind knowing it is fully UL 2849 certified for safety. If you are ready to completely transform your commute, check the link in the description right now for the best active discounts today. That is all for today's roundup. Be sure to click the links below for more details and the best deals. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more reviews.